Welcome! In this second video, we are going to see a more advanced way to query the HumanMine database. For this, we go to the Query Builder tab and we are going to create a query similar to the template of the last video. Just to be mentioned, you have a help button that can guide you in each tab of the app. Here we are selecting the disease data class to begin the query and the information to be returned from this one. We are selecting a first constraint against the disease name to restrict the results to type 1 diabetes. We add a second level pressing the set button where we are going to select the gene data class and again the information to be returned. We are adding up to 5 levels to the query, and once we are happy with the selection, we press Set Query. In this pop-up window, we can delete information that we don't want to see. And in the summary table, we can check the constraints that we have defined. Moving to the next tab, we are going to choose as target data the expression score and as source the gene symbol, to obtain a general view of the expression levels of the genes involved in type 1 diabetes. The concentric layout makes it easy to identify the 4 source nodes that correspond to 4 genes. Moving to the Overlay Additional Data tab, there we are going to choose the node attribute expression score to apply a size gradient. Moving back to the query builder, we are going to set a third constraint against genes data class to restrict the results to the gene HNF1A and study in which tissue it is more represented. We are changing the previous selection of target data to tissue. And again, we are applying the size gradient to the expression score attribute. We see that the liver is the tissue with the highest score for the HNF1A gene, followed by the small intestine terminal and the kidney cortex. We are applying layouts to the tissues with the highest score to save the workflow in a zip folder, then. We are also saving the network as an image. In the last tab of the app, we can upload the zip folder and visualize again the network. Thanks for watching.